If you want to compress a video in HandBrake without losing quality, this is the exact setting setup I recommend. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to shrink your file size while keeping the video looking sharp and the audio sounding clean. This is perfect if you're trying to save storage space, upload videos faster, or prepare footage for YouTube, social media, or cloud backup. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open HandBrake and drag your video file straight into the program. You can also use the open source button, but dragging and dropping is usually the quickest way to begin. Once your video loads, HandBrake will analyze the file and pull in the source settings automatically. This is the starting point for getting the best compression without ruining quality. Next, go to the Dimensions tab. This is where you manage the size and cropping of the video. For most videos, you want to set cropping to automatic. That lets HandBrake detect the black bars or unused edges and remove them only if needed. It helps make sure you are not keeping extra empty space that adds unnecessary file size. If your video already looks properly framed, automatic cropping is usually the safest choice. Now move over to the Video tab, because this is where the most important compression settings are found. First, set the frame rate to same as source. This is important because changing the frame rate can sometimes create weird motion issues or unnecessary re-encoding problems. Keeping it the same as the original helps preserve the look and feel of your footage while still allowing HandBrake to compress it efficiently. Then look for the video codec setting and choose H.264, also shown as X264. This is one of the most reliable and widely supported codecs you can use. It gives you a great balance between file size and visual quality, and it works well for playback on most devices and platforms. If your goal is to reduce file size without making the video look bad, H.264x264 is a strong choice. After that, you'll see the RF slider. This is one of the most important quality controls in HandBrake. For high quality compression, set the RF value somewhere between 18 and 22. If you want the best quality with only a very small reduction in file size, go closer to 18 or 20. In most cases, RF 18 to 20 is visually indistinguishable from the original for many viewers. If you need a little more compression and can accept a slight reduction in quality that is usually still very hard to notice, you can move it up closer to 22. So here's the simple rule. Lower RF means better quality and a larger file, while higher RF means smaller files and slightly more compression. For most people, a value around 20 is the sweet spot. Now right next to that, you will usually find the Encoder preset slider. Move this to slow. This tells the X264 engine to spend more time analyzing the video and finding better ways to compress it. The result is a smaller file at the same quality level, which is exactly what we want. It may take a little longer to finish encoding, but that extra time is worth it if your goal is maximum compression without visible quality loss. Next, go to the Audio tab. This step is easy to overlook, but it matters. Set the codec to auto pass-through. What this does is keep the original audio bit for bit instead of re-encoding it. That means your sound quality stays exactly the same, with zero loss. Since audio often does not need to be changed at all, pass-through is the safest and most efficient option. Now that your video and audio settings are ready, it's time to export. Click Browse to choose where you want to save the file and give it a clear name so you can easily find it later. Then hit Start Encode. HandBrake will begin processing your file, compressing the video with your optimized settings and combining it with the original audio into a final smaller container. Depending on the length and resolution of your video, the encode might take a while, especially with the slow preset, but that is completely normal. The goal here is quality first compression, not just the fastest possible export. When the process finishes, you'll have a much smaller video file that still looks great and keeps the original audio intact. This is one of the best ways to reduce file size without making your content look washed out, blurry, or overcompressed. So to quickly recap, import your video, set cropping to automatic, keep frame rate at same as source, choose H.264x264, set RF between 18 and 22, move the preset to slow, leave audio on auto pass-through, then browse for your export location and start the encode. If this helped you compress your HandBrake video without losing quality, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you the best HandBrake settings for YouTube exports, 4K compression, or even batch converting multiple videos at once. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.